Hi, my name is Levi.
How old are you?
And I'm 5.5.
No, you're not.
4.5.
And I'm going to do what?
And I'm going to read this book.
What's it called? Let's say.
say.
Let's say.
Let's say
Hi.
hi to friends that fly.
Who fly. Open the book and start reading for me, please.
Yellow black. Can you fly? Be the bee. Watch me. Go be the bee. Boom. Go. Can you fly? Be the bee.
What does it say?
Can you fly?
Say it.
Bird the bird.
Good job. Does bird say anything?
Watch me.
Okay, next.
Go. Bird the bird.
Nice.
Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy.
Okay, keep
zoomy,
going, Levi. Hurry up, because I'm not going to be able to record you much longer.
Go. Wait.
Try again.
Can you fly? Bat the bat. Levi,
What's bat say?
I liked how you looked at the picture, so you know that it was the bat.
Keep going, bud.
Watch me. Can't go. Bat the bat. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Okay, keep going, bud. What's the question?
Who else can fly? Can you fly? Go!
Can
you fly? Rhino to rhino? Watch me! Zoom! Watch all of us go!
That's all what?
Watch all of us go!
What's this word with the F? Let's all
Fly! and we can do it all.
Okay, thanks,
And
Levi.
the book is over. Thanks for listening to we can do this all. Me and Levi. Go to
Really?
yahoo.com.